a light in a world blown dim, planted in grace, built up in Him, rooted in truth, standing in love, a city on a hill, shining from above. We are the living truth, called to shine and serve. We walk by faith, we live by the word. Jesus our anchor, Spirit our guide. Alright, so that is an AI. Alright, this song was created using an AI application. So I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom song, any type of music, using AI. Now the first thing you want to do is to head on to your Play Store. You head on to Play Store and you're going to download this application I'm going to show you right now. The name of the application is called Suno. Right, Suno AI. Right, you're going to download this one right here, this Suno AI. So I've already downloaded it. That's why it's not. I'm not going to download it right now. So I'm opening the app right now. It also have a web version, so you can decide to use the web version on your laptop or your PC. Depends on what you want to use. All right. So let's go back. So the app, this is the app. This is where you see all the music you've created. This is your library. This is where you see all the music you've created. Now this is where you get notifications. This is where you have your profile. All right. So you're going to hit on this part here, the middle one, where you have the music lyric icon right here, the middle. And when you click there, you're going to see song description. So right here, you can describe the song you want to create. So a heavy metal song, blah 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 blah. You can describe it and it will create it for you. All right. Or alternatively, you can come over here where you have custom. So you can put in the song that you want. You've created already somewhere. Okay. So let's do that. So let's head on to ChatGPT. All right. So this ChatGPT. So let's tell ChatGPT to help us to create a song about something, anything. So let's say I want ChatGPT to create a song. To create a song, create. Okay, let's say write a lyrics about my YouTube channel. All right, Niyi TV. I upload videos about. All right, so this is it. Graphic design. So what kind of music you want to create? So let's say it's an Afrobeat song. So let's hit create, and you see ChatGPT is going to write the lyrics. All right, it's like an anthem for my music, my YouTube channel. Right, so it's creating it. All right, so it's too long, but let's just go. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to select. I'll copy from here. Copy from here. All right, so you see, it's very easy. So copy. So let's head on to the app. Now this is, remember, this is simple. This is custom. Click on custom. Click on the lyrics here. Paste the song. All right, we can copy this one hat. So let's copy this one hat. Let's cut that. So let's move on to this part here. So we have here, they said song description. So I can just put the song, this one here first. Then right there, I can say, okay, I want the song to be I want a female or a male. You want a male to sing the song, a male voice. You can click on male if you want male. If you want a female to sing the song, click on female. All right, so we want a female voice, so click on female. Then there's some other options. You want it to be rap, sync, flute, and all that. All right, so I just want Afrobeat. So let's come here and just type Afrobeat. All right, okay, so let's remove this icon here. So the song title, Niyi TV. Create. Once you are done, just click it on create and you wait for just a very short, within 1 minute, the song will be created. So we are waiting for it. So the song will be created. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. So right now the song is creating. So I'm going to go over to this part here. All right, so you don't see the song here. What you can do, I advise you to do is to go over here, close the app, and then open it again. So once you close the app, you open it again, and by now you will see the application. Remember, you have free credits, about 50 every day, to create 10 songs for free. Then if you exhaust your free credits, you can pay for the pro version to get more. You can see there are two songs right here, Niyi TV 1. So the app will give you two versions. So let's click on the first one. So it will give two versions for you to choose from. So the first one is playing right now. What's happening? Oh, the song is ready.
TV lights up my screen, no color and motion, the best I've seen. No graphic fire, we did go higher. Click and subscribe for the design power. TV, I know the lie. Every thumbnail sharp like people like. Creativity, originality, I hear you go learn no darling spree. Come see magic with Corel Draw. Photoshop vibe make you want more. Logos and flyers clean like soap. You go to shop me, give us hope. Radiance blend, text align. Every pixel fine like red wine. We the teach and flex design. Now for YouTube, make you know the climb. Me, I'm with that TV, lights up my screen. No color and motion, the best I've seen. No graphic fire, we get go higher. Click and subscribe for the design power. Me, I know the lie. Every thumbnail sharp like eagle.
All right, so that's the first version that the app created for us. So let's listen to the second one.
Design with the drop, every vibe get clean. Neon with that TV. Let's go.
So this is the second version.
Yeah, Neon with that TV lights up my screen. No color and motion, the best I've seen. No graphic fire, we dey go higher. Click that subscribe to the design power. Neon with that TV, I know they like. Every coming out sharp like eagle eye. Creativity, the originality. I hear you go learn no darling spree. Come see magic with Corey.
All right, so that is just it. So this is the app that can help you to create your music. So after that, let's see how many units I still have left. So I click here, I'm going to see how many is left there. I still have 20. You can see I still have 20 credits here to create more. So basically, when you upload, paste your, go to custom, paste whatever you want to post, describe the song. If you want it to be Christian um, um, style, if you want it to be reggae, you just describe how you want it right here. Then select some of the options that are already here. And then click write the song title and click create, and you're good to go. So my name is Niyi. Don't forget to like this video, all right, share it, and let me know what you think about it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. I'll be creating and sharing with you a lot of AI tools that's going to make your life more easier. Thank you for watching.